Welcome to our channel. If you want to reduce data usage on Gmail, follow this quick guide to minimize the amount of mobile data consumed when accessing your email account. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your mobile device and ensure you're signed into your account. Step 2. Tap the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top left corner to open the main menu. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Settings to access Gmail configuration options. Step 4. Select the email account you want to optimize if you have multiple accounts configured. Step 5. Tap on Data Usage or Images under the account settings to control how Gmail handles attachments and embedded images. Step 6. Select Ask before showing external images, or Never show external images to prevent automatic image downloads that consume data. Step 7. Enable Wi-Fi only for attachments to prevent downloading large files unless connected to Wi-Fi. Step 8. Consider adjusting sync frequency to manual or less frequent intervals like every 30 minutes, instead of push to reduce background data usage. Step 9. Review Download Attachments settings and disable auto-download for large files to save data. Step 10. Exit settings and your Gmail app will now use significantly less mobile data while maintaining essential functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.